Hello students, in our last video we have completed exercise 3.3 of chapter 3. So today we are going to start chapter 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.4. So let's start the first question. So question number 1, find the common factors of 20 and 28. I have already discussed with you all what is a factor and how to find out the factor of a number. So the first question here, we have to find out the factor of both 20 and 28 first, and then we have to write the common factor among them. So 20, what are the factors? So 1 into 20 is 20, 2 into 10 is 20, and 4 into 5 is 20. That is why factors of 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Again 28. 1 into 28 is equal to 28, 2 into 14 is equal to 28, and 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Therefore, the factor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So, the common factors among 20 and 28 are, so you can see in 21 is there, in 28 also 1 is there. So, common factor 1. In 22 is there, in 28 also 2 is there, so 2 is another common factor, and in 24 is there, and in 28 also 4 is there. But other than that 5, 10, 20 is here, but here no 5, 10, 20 or 7, 14, 28 is here, but not in 20. Therefore 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 20, 28 and 20 and 28. Then C, 35. We have to find out the factor of 35 and 50. Okay. So 35 is equal to 1 into 35. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Therefore, factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Again, 50 is equal to 1 into 50 is 50. 2 into 25 is 50. And 5 into 10 is 50. Therefore, factor of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So here you can see what are the common factors. 1 is there in 35, in 50 also 1 is there. 5 is there in 35, 5 is there in 50 also. 7 is there, but 7 is not in 50, so it is not a factor of common factor. Okay, so 35 is there, but 35 is not in 50, therefore this is also not a common factor. Again 10 is there in 50, but there is no 10 in 35. 25 is there in 50, but there is no 25 in 35. 50 is there in 50, but there is no 50 in 35. That means 1 and 5 are the common factors of 35 and 50. Question number 2, we have to find the common factor here also, but here are 3 numbers are there. Okay, 4, 8 and 12. So first of all we have to find out the factor of 4. So 4 is equal to 1 into 4, 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay, therefore factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Since 2 into 2 is there, 2 times 2 are there, but we need not have to write 2 times. Okay, only one time we have to write. So 1, 2 and 4. Now factors of 8, 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 4 is 8. Therefore factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, now factors of 12 we have to find out. 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12 and 3 into 4 is 12. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Therefore, the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the first 3 common multiples. You already know the multiplication table. Yes, you are familiar with it. So we have to write first of all the common multiples of 6 and 8 separately, and then we have to find out the common among them. But only first 3 which we are getting common, only those 3 numbers we have to write. So multiples of 6 we are going to write now. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 70 and go on, and many are there, but we need only 3. That is why till we are getting 3 common, we will stop there. Okay. Then again multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. So you can see here among this, what are the common? 6 is there in multiplication of 6 but not in 8. 12 is there, not in 8. 18 is there but not in 8. 24, yes, 24 is there in 6 also. 24 is there in 8 also. Okay. Then again 30 is there in 6 but not in 8. 36 there in 6 but not in 8. 42 is there in 6 but not in 8. But 48 is both there in both. Same way 58, 54 is there in 6 but not in 8. 60 is there in 6 but not in 8. 66 is there in 6 but not in 8. But 72 is there in both. Therefore, more multiples we can write, but here since the question given only we have to find out first 3 common multiples. So we got the 3. Yes. Therefore, the common multiples of 6 and 8 are what? 24, 48 and 72. Now question number 4. So write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So we have to write all the numbers of 3 and 4 multiplication table, but the answer should be less than 100. So there is a way we can separately write the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4 till we are getting 100. But one shortcut is there that we can find out in another way. That is the common multiples of 3 and 4 without doing separately. What we can do, we can multiply that. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 we are getting. So if we are writing the multiplication table of 12 till you are getting the answer 100 or less than 100, so those answers are similar. If we do separately also the common multiples of 3, means multiples of 3 one time you did, multiples of 4 one time you did, till 100. Okay, and then you are finding out all the common multiples, then also you will get the same answer. This is the shortcut, this is better. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are what? You can multiply 3 and 4 together, that is 12 answer we will get. And now you start writing the multiplication table of 12 till you are getting 100. So what are the answers here? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96 are the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100.